Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making loaded quesadilla. So to begin with, I have my chopped onions. I have my orange bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell peppers. I have my chicken breast chopped into little pieces. Okay. I have my seasoning, ginger and garlic paste. I have my shrimp. I have 8 of these. Okay. I have my shredded mozzarella cheese. I have my beef fajitas. But I cut them into little pieces just like the chicken. So this is beef fajitas. I have some pepper. I have some butter. And I have here my So first off, we're going to start with the filling. I'm going to come in with some butter. I'm going to add some onion to it. I'm going to come here with the beef. Ginger and garlic paste. After letting the beef sweat out, I'm going to come in here with my chicken. A little bit of pepper. Seasoning. So right now, I'm going to come in here with my bell peppers. The orange one, the green one, the red one, the yellow one. I'm going to go in with my shrimp. Now let this cook for 2 minutes because I don't want to overcook the shrimp. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch just to thicken my filling, so that way I don't have a runny filling. Okay. So this is the brand I use just to thicken my filling. As you can see, my filling is already thick, so this is ready. So next thing I will do is to come right here on my cutting board and apply some butter. So I'm going to go in to a hot pan. I'm going to pour the side with the butter down. Okay. I'm going to go in with my mozzarella cheese. Okay, I'll come in with my chicken, beef, shrimp, and bell peppers filling. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go ahead and add more filling. Just because it is loaded quesadilla, I'm gonna add more filling. Go in with more cheese. I'm going to flip the side. Okay. Okay. I'm going to let the cheese melt. So you go ahead and flip the other side. Oh, that is just pretty. So guys, this quesadilla is ready. That's the sound you want to hear to know that it's very, very crispy. Okay, so we're going to take this down and cut it. So there you go, guys. Your loaded and delicious quesadilla with shrimp, beef, chicken, and bell peppers. So let's go ahead and cut into it. I'm gonna do this, and then I like to cut it this way. So there you go. Look at that goodness. Look at that quesadilla. Very creamy, loaded. So delicious, guys. So guys, let's cut into the second one. That's how you know. What a beauty. What a beauty, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. If you love this ultimate surf and turf quesadilla, smash the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next episode. Until next time, bye bye.